Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Amazon seller or thinking of becoming one, you've probably heard about Helium 10, one of the most powerful toolkits for Amazon FBA sellers. In today's video, I'm going to break down the top Helium 10 tools, what they do, and how they can help you grow your business on Amazon. First up, we have Black Box, Helium 10's product research tool. It helps you discover profitable products with low competition by filtering through over 450 million Amazon listings based on category, price, review count, sales, and more. Whether you're launching your first product or adding to your catalog, this is where it all starts. Next is Magnet, Helium 10's keyword research tool. It helps you find high-traffic keywords that shoppers are actually searching for. You can also analyze keyword difficulty, search volume, and competition so your listing is optimized for visibility and conversions. Cerebro is one of my personal favorites. It's a reverse ASIN lookup tool that lets you spy on your competitors. Just enter their ASIN, and Cerebro will show you the keywords they're ranking for, giving you a competitive edge when it comes to SEO and PPC. Now, when it comes to creating your product listing, Frankenstein and Scribbles are super handy. Frankenstein helps you clean and organize your keyword list, while Scribbles ensures you're including those important keywords in your title, bullet points, and back-end search terms, without repeating or wasting space. Profits is your financial command center. It shows your sales, refunds, advertising costs, and true profit margins all in one dashboard. This is crucial for understanding your real numbers and making smarter business decisions. Managing your ad campaigns can be overwhelming, but Helium 10's ADS tool helps automate and optimize your Amazon PPC. With AI-powered bidding and detailed analytics, it helps you reduce ad spend and increase ROI. Now for the good part, discounts. Use the code EBIZA10 to get 10% off every month forever. Or, if you prefer a bigger short-term saving, use EBIZA20 for 20% off your first 6 months. And if you use our special affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Helium 10 or plan to.